Hello and welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where each week I show boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. Now, today we're diving into the heart of the iPhone, uncovering the wonders of Siri, your virtual assistant. If you ever wondered what is all the buzz about Siri or felt a bit puzzled about using it, you're in the right place. Now, I made another video about how to use Siri on your iPhone, and it got tremendous support. But there were some things that caused some irritation. So in this video, I'm going to create a new video about using Siri without any irritation at all. What is Siri? Think of Siri as your tech-savvy friend living inside your iPhone. It's there to help answer questions and make your life a whole lot easier. But how do you chat with Siri? Well, it's easy as pie. In this video, we're going to do it a very simple way. Just press your button and give it a command. Now, some of the things that we do in this video may seem redundant or repetitious, but if you follow through all the way with the video, it's going to give you muscle memory and it's going to help you to get accustomed to using this outstanding feature. So now, let's demystify Siri's magic with not one, but 10 incredible tips that will turn your phone into a true silver companion. And stick around as we unveil game-changing tricks, making Siri your ultimate sidekick for navigating the tech world. Tip number 1. Set reminders with Siri. Never miss a pill or smiley face appointment again. Just click that side button and say it and consider it done. Here's how to do it. Set a reminder to take out the trash Monday. And voila, there you have it. Now I have a reminder to take out the trash on Monday. Tip number 2, hands-free calls and text. Siri, your personal phone operator, just click the side button, say it, and let the conversation begin. Call Gina. Boom shakalaka, and it is complete and done. A phone call. Tip number 3. Get weather updates with Siri. Rain or shine, Siri got the forecast just waiting for you. Just click that side button, say it, so you can plan your day with ease. What's the forecast?
The forecast is calling for rain today.
Boom shakalaka. Now you have your forecast for today. Tip number 4, set alarms and timers effortlessly. Just click the side button and say it. Wake up on time or to a perfect cup of tea with a simple Siri command. Wake me up in about an hour.
1 hour, counting down.
Tip number 5, have Siri read messages aloud. Stay connected without squinting. Siri's the eyes you didn't know you needed. Just click the side button and say it. Read my text messages.
You have new messages in 31 conversations. First, someone with the 833 area code said you've subscribed to Panera order notifications. We'll text when it's ready. Text stop to quit. And your Panera order is ready. Pick up your order at the counter. Would you like to?
And voila, there you have it. It will read all your messages back to you. keeping you informed with all of those different friends that are trying to contact you. Tip number 6, get directions with Siri. Lost? Not anymore. Just ask Siri to guide you to your destination. Again, just click the side button and say it. Show me the nearest McDonald's.
Which McDonald's?
And voila, now you have the nearest McDonald's from your location. Tip number 7. Now sometimes when you turn your phone on, it's so dark you can't see the screen and you don't know how to get that back. Here's how you fix that. Turn the brightness up to 80%.
Okay, I made the screen brighter.
And voila. So now if you ever see that screen is black or blank, don't panic. Just hit that side button and tell Siri to increase your brightness. Tip number 8, find information on the web. Siri's your pocket encyclopedia. Ask it anything and let the knowledge flow. Just again, click that side button and say it. Here's how to do it. Tell me an interesting fact about what happened on today in 1963.
Here's what I found.
And there you have it, some interesting information from the year that I was born, 1963. So you see, with Siri, you can be as smart as you want to be, and it's really easy. Tip number 9, make calendar events seamlessly. Siri's your personal assistant. Schedule appointments effortlessly. Just click the button and say it. Set a doctor's appointment for Monday at 2 p.m.
You already have David at 7:30. Should I schedule it anyway?
Yes.
Doctor's appointment is scheduled for 1400 hours to 1500 hours on Monday.
There you go. Very easy, very simple. Now you don't have to miss an appointment again because Siri is going to remind you on your phone of your appointments. And tip number 10, language translation. Now Siri is your global communicator. It can break down language barriers with a simple request. Just click the side button and tell it what you want to do. Watch this. Say hello in Spanish.
In Spanish, hello is hola.
Say hello in German.
In German, hello is
Say hello in Japanese.
in Japanese, hello is konnichiwa.
There you go. Your personal translator right at your fingertips with Siri and just a touch of the finger. Now, I said that if you stick around to the end, I was going to show you a true game-changing trick that's going to make Siri even better and make your life a whole lot easier when using the phone. And we're going to do this somewhat in a rapid succession. So let's see what I'm talking about. Watch this. Open YouTube. Send an email to support@bertrandtechman.com.
To support@bertrandtechman.com. What's the subject?
The subject is subscribers.
What do you want to say to support@bertrandtechman.com?
If you found value in this video, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see our next video when it drops, ring that bell.
Send it?
Send it.
Done.
There you have it. You can do just about any task with Siri on your phone, from opening up apps to sending emails to notes to making phone calls. And there you have it. All different types of things that you can do with Siri on your iPhone by just simply tapping and holding the side button until it pops up, and then you give it a command and voila, it's there. And there you have it, seniors. 11 Siri tips to transform your tech game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more silver tech goodies, and until next time, stay curious and tech savvy. Now, if you like this video, you might want to look at this one up here, because it's going to show you one more thing about how to use your iPhone.